Good morning. Today is Keith Hall, and today's tutorial will be on how you could blend textures to images in Photoshop. As you can see on the screen, I have an image here, and it's actually two images. One is a texture, and one is just a photograph of this model here. And basically, what I did was I blended the texture image with the actual photograph, and what I did was I kept the texture around the model, and I removed the texture from the model itself. So let's go over to our other tab here, and you can see this. So this is the texture right here, and if I turn this off, and this is the actual model image. So I'm going to blend these two images together like we just saw. So basically what we did was we want to keep the texture image above the background image, or above the model that we're using in this particular example. So this is a very simple process. All we have to do is, like I said, have two layers here. Keep the texture layer above your actual image that you want to see through this texture. And all you have to do is go to the layers panel and select the blending mode by clicking in this area. And all you have to do is just start selecting blending modes. So as you can see, you could start seeing the image that is on the bottom layer. And an easy way to select all the blending modes is, once you do select this area, you could use the up and down arrow button. So I'm just gonna page through these different blend modes to get to one that is acceptable with this texture. And I believe soft light is the best one, so I'll just continue through these just to show you the different effects that you could have. Okay, so I'm at the bottom, so I'm just going to go back up, and just another shortcut key to get through these different blend modes. If you come out here, and so you deselect this area, and if you come up to the remove tool, but now if you use the shift plus or shift minus, you can still page through all the different blend modes. So that's just a different shortcut key. So let's get back to the soft light blend mode. There we go. This is about the best one that I could see. So now you're probably wondering, well, now the texture is showing on top of this model. So what do we do if we just want the texture to blend through the rest of the image, but not blend through the actual model here? To do that, let's add a layer mask. So let's make sure that the texture layer is selected and click on layer mask. And now let's use the brush tool, and I got everything selected that I want up here, the size of the brush and the mode and everything. And all you have to do is, of course, make sure your foreground color is black, because as you remember, black conceals and white reveals the image. So what we want to do is we want to hide the texture that is bleeding through this image on the model, but keep it everywhere else. So I'm just going to now paint with the brush, and as you can see, it's removing the texture from the model area. And I'm just going to paint through this very quickly. And if you look at the layer mask thumbnail in the layers panel now, once I release my cursor, you'll see the actual mask. So there we go. So what I was referring to is this layer mask thumbnail. You could see the black and white. Now, if you just want to see the layer mask to see what you mask, shortcut key is you press the Alt key on a Windows PC and click the layer mask thumbnail, and it reveals your actual mask. So again, black conceals or hides, and white reveals. So in this case, let's go back. All you have to do is press Alt and then click to get back. Remember, black conceals. So black is removing the texture, and since I didn't paint over the rest of it, the white area will reveal the texture through this bottom layer image. So hopefully today's tutorial was helpful for you today in creating different effects with textures and your portraits that you're working with, or any other objects for that matter. So again, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so already, click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video comes out. And then please like, share, and comment. So again, thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.